What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name's Smay, and if you guys are new here, make sure to like, subscribe, and before this video starts, I just wanted to say that I put in so much hours into editing this video, and this is not an excuse, but I just wanted to say I'm sorry for not being able to put this video out sooner. I've meant to edit and post this like way sooner, but a few technical difficulties came up when editing and rendering this video, so I wasn't able to convert it into a file and then upload it to YouTube. I've been stuck trying to fix this problem for a while, and I think I finally fixed it. So if you guys are watching this, like, it must mean it's fixed. So let me stop wasting your time and let's get into the video. Let's go. It's gonna be like solid, right? Not gonna move?
Yeah, I think so.
Perfect. Alright. Say what's up to Mo. If you guys don't know, he's behind a lot of the things on my channel. What is it called? I don't want to call it a booster board.
So it's a Meepo Mini V2.
Okay. Yeah, I'm borrowing his, so I'm about to be out real quick. Whoa. Here we go. Sure. About to go on. Lucky it's a red light right now. About to be out. Just killed it, bro.
And so-called Jesus Christ, who is a house right? He's coming back for his people. He's gonna bust the clown, okay? He's gonna be kind of on the sun. Come back to the Bible. Come back to the word right here. But basically, this is the only thing.
Yeah, John weighed like 15 pounds.
Yeah, go. Yeah.
I'm so lucky my
Good thing,
watch
yeah,
is
good thing it's waterproof. I just used the oh shit, what the fuck? Put my book back.
You know. Thank you.
what's up, guys? As you guys can see, I'm well, maybe you guys don't know where I am, but I'm in Center City, Philadelphia, and I'm gonna show you guys what Center City in Philadelphia looks like. No matter if you guys are in New York, LA, wherever it is, it's gonna be a beautiful views. All right, let's go.
Oh yeah, when you get a sunset shot.
This way?
Yep.
We're running. Oh my god, all the food places are closed.